story takes place in the not-so-distant future. The story begins with our heroes gathered one spring night for a sleepover party. While playing the game Forza Horizon 4, April 4th of the year 2024, something spectacular happened. The good friends beat the game and were transported to a distant land called Boomacore, where all the spirits and souls of the greatest musicians lived in peace and harmony. Four kids stayed up all night playing video games, but little did they know that what they were about to do would change the world forever. Bob, Joe, Steve, and Billy noticed something peculiar. Bob's pug had become rainbow colored, and all of a sudden, the music in the game was all made by Zoomers. The Beatles, Jimi Hendrix, Elvis, Led Zeppelin, to name a few. The rainbow pug jumped inside the video game, and the four friends followed him inside. There were two guides that told them about the planet.